3. Concurrent list. List 3. The concurrent list is the third list given in the 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Concurrent means together. Both Parliament, centre, and state legislatures can make laws on these subjects. This list helps maintain uniformity in laws across India while allowing states to act when needed. Concurrent list contains subjects of common interest. Both Parliament and states can make laws on the subjects mentioned in concurrent list. Examples: education, marriage and divorce, forests, criminal law. If there is a conflict between union and state law on a concurrent subject, then union law prevails. Authority under the Constitution. The concurrent list, List 3, gets its authority from Article 246(2) of the Indian Constitution. Article 246(2) says, both Parliament and state legislatures have the power to make laws on subjects in the concurrent list. Parliament and states have equal power to legislate. Article 246(2) is important because it allows uniform laws on important subjects like education, marriage, and criminal law. At the same time, it gives flexibility to states to make laws according to local needs. Article 246(2) of the Indian Constitution provides that both Parliament and state legislatures are empowered to make laws with respect to matters enumerated in the concurrent list, List 3, of the 7th schedule. Case of conflict between a union law and a state law. If there is a conflict between a union law and a state law on a concurrent subject, the union law will prevail. This rule is given under Article 254. Article 247, Power of Parliament to establish additional courts. Article 247 gives Parliament the power to set up additional courts for the better administration of laws made by Parliament. It states that Parliament can create additional courts for better administration of union laws. Parliament can establish new courts. These courts are created to deal with matters related to union laws. The aim is efficient and speedy justice. Example: special courts or tribunals. Purpose of Article 247. The purpose is to reduce burden on existing courts. To ensure proper enforcement of union laws. To provide specialized courts when needed. Nature of courts established. The nature of courts established under Article 247 are special courts, tribunals, and courts with limited or specific jurisdiction. These courts function in addition to regular courts. Examples: special courts for economic offences, tax matters, company law, tribunals created under union laws. Relation with federal structure. Though courts are generally a state subject, Article 247 allows Parliament to intervene for national interest. It shows the strong role of the centre. Thus the importance of Article 247 is that it strengthens the judicial system. Ensures smooth implementation of central legislation. Helps in speedy disposal of cases. Supports effective governance.